And they just got done attacking Allie, and now the girls are attacking Allie. Somebody's got to go potty. She says, leave me alone. I got to go potty.
There. Hi, sweetie. You're the growler, aren't you? She was growling at you, wasn't she? Yeah.
Boys, why are you sleeping in the litter pan? Huh? Why are you sleeping in your potty pan? It's not the place to sleep.
Puppy in the water. Grayson.